everyone! Today I'm going to show you and teach you how to grip your Hopae. So actually we have two ways to grip a Hopae and we have two techniques. The first technique is called a grip technique and the second technique is called a release technique. So firstly, I'll show you how to grip in grip technique. Okay? So here's a Hopae like this. But if you just try to grip Hopae like this, because of this tie, you'll be very uncomfortable. Do you see the tie? It will be very uncomfortable for you to grip and use the Hopae. So you have to put this tie, replace this tie to here, like this. Okay? Then after that, you go to here, you put your thumb here and turn around, rotate one time and grab your Hopae. So this tie actually can go here. So you'll be very comfortable. Okay? Do you see it? And there is a very important thing that you have to use these two fingers, not the whole finger. You're grabbing these two fingers like here, while your edge of the Hopae is on your middle of your palm, okay? Like this. You're actually moving these two fingers and using these two fingers when you attack your enemy, like this, okay? And the very important thing is that you are using your wrist. Actually, you're using your wrist to attack your opponent like this. You're using the snap. Okay? Do you see it? Like this. And you can just leave your fingers like this, right? It looks very stupid. So you have to put here like this. This is how you grip your Hopae and a grip technique. Okay. So the second thing, I will show you how to grip your Hopae in a release technique. So how do you deal with the release technique? So just put your Hopae very freely like this, okay? So just hang your Hopae on your thumb like this, then bend your thumb like this. And you have other fingers, right? You have to bend other fingers, like cover your fingers like this. So actually, you can hold your Hopae very safely. Okay, do you see it? So a very important thing and the advantage of Hopae is that you don't have to worry about dropping Hopae, right? Because of the string, you don't have to worry about dropping or losing Hopae. That's very important, okay?